Having fret unnecessarily ahead of the French election, markets were poorly prepared for this result in the UK. Even though the polls had narrowed significantly ahead of the vote itself, most assumed that we would still end up with some kind of Conservative majority. The only thing we can guarantee now in the near term is that political risk premium will rise, and that's likely to harm UK assets. This isn't like 2010. Party lines and divisions are much stronger than they were back then, making it far harder to form coalitions. There's also a much greater chance of the need for another election in the near term. So the first political hurdle of the election has not been cleared. It now seems likely that the much bigger hurdle of the Brexit negotiations, which were due to start later this month, will likely be delayed. And so all that means that the political risk premium are only going to go on rising for the next couple of weeks and maybe even months until we know what the political situation in the UK is. And that means that assets like sterling will be especially vulnerable and perhaps retest their lows for the year.